Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I just recently uploaded to my Kofi site a freebie that works with the Entomology and Botanical slides, labels, words, and fussy cut digital, which can be found in my Etsy shop. The link will be down below in the description box. The freebie, like I said, can be found on Kofi. So let me just bring in here. Sorry, bear with me for a moment. I'm going to grab a couple of the slides so that I can show you how they all get put together. Okay, so the freebie works together with these two slides that can be found in the Entomology kit on Etsy. As you can see, this one is completely transparent through both of these, and this one is not. So when it comes to the freebie, we have these images, which are fussy cuts, included as fussy cuts in the Entomology kit, but not with the background. So these can be cut out, and then you can put your slide together like that with some really awesome labels, maybe a couple of words, and it'll look absolutely fantastic. And this can be glued right onto here before you close it up. So that's what these work really great for. So we have those images. And oh, feels thick. Oh yeah. We have these ones. So as you can see, they're not all buggy. We have mushrooms and botanicals and flowers, and leaves. And then these are a little bit different than those ones in that they have some background and some script and stuff on them, which look really cool. Yeah. Really, really love this digital and freebie. And that's just another page with just these two in case you wanted to just print out some of those. So it's just like a bonus page that might be helpful when it comes to your printing. Now, what I've done is I have some transparencies, which I get on Amazon or at thrift stores. And I have printed the slides out on those, which I absolutely love. Get a white background so you can see it a little bit better. So there they are. Oh shoot, I don't have one that's cut out that's see-through, but basically it would be like that and completely see-through. And then of course, if you have it sitting on anything on top of a journal page, or maybe you're even using this as a big pocket, which would be super cool, then you can of course see all the script in behind it, which I absolutely love. So if you have transparencies, they look fabulous printed on these. So we have that page, this one, that one, and of course this one. Yeah, really love how these turned out. Hope you guys like them. And again, they can be found on my Kofi page, and the link will be down in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.